What's up, YouTube? Today it's another GEC knife, but I really like this one. It's the 82 in elderberry jig bone. Got a nice California clip on that. I've also heard it called a muskrat. Very nice and pointy sheep's foot. Then instead of a spay, we've got a skinner. I'm not a huge fan of most Stockmans, but GEC, of course, does it so well that how could I resist? And I feel like most people feel the same. Well, I mean, about how they do it right. Most people love Stockman. And with this arrangement of blades, yeah, I think there's a lot of use. But not, in other ones, you're not going to see a pointy sheep's foot just because it's not really how they're usually made, at least in my, not very limited, but I'm not like a super duper expert. I just, like GEC just does it right and does it in a way that makes it even more useful. I need a picture of this still. So yeah, this guy, very thankful to have him in the collection. I don't know if that's a bomb, a bodice, or a corset. Jigging is on point and everything is good. GEC makes it look so easy. Yeah, this is a great example. In any event, appreciate you sticking with me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. That's all she wrote for this one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye now.